2 weeks later, my got this weird infection in my throat. Everything's super great. I packed up all of my stuff and left my hometown to make it in LA. But all that I made is myself mad. And I hear them now, you're never gonna make it. Might be right, but I know how to fake it. Hey mama, can you believe it? I really made it, look, I'm so famous. Riding that high life, sipping that California wine. Everyone out here is looking so perfect. Can't even tell that everyone's hurting. Oh, but not me though, everything's fine, fine, fine. Yeah, I'm having the best time. I'm having the best time. I told my friends back home that I had a dream. They say go chase it. We were so young back then. But here the desert is our garden, a youth and beauty and promise. But it hasn't rained since I got here. My birthday passed, I forgot a cake. I'm so sad, but I'm good at faking. Hey mama, can you believe it? I really made it, look, I'm so famous. Riding that high life, sipping that California wine. Everyone out here is looking so perfect. Can't even tell that everyone's hurting. Oh, but not me though, everything's fine, fine, fine. Yeah, I'm having the best time. Yeah, I'm having the best time.
Isa ni Mang Larry dito eh. So Kuya Leg, maraming salamat. And we thank you, sincerely thank you lahat ng mga nagdala ng mga masasarap na food. Tama ba, Bray?
Tama.
Yun, ano
Ready for takeout.
ready for takeout na rin, no? So hopefully may mga dala kayong plastic labo. Yan. At yung mga Tupperware ninyo, Tupperware ni Mama, no? Ilabas nyo na, no? Tupperware ni, oh, hindi pwedeng mawala yun, no? And of course, no? Ito na yung pinakihintay natin. I would like to announce, no? Meron tayong surprise for everyone who attended. Pakikalat na lang sa lahat, no? Hanggang dulo. So lahat po ng mga interested na mag-purchase or bumili ng isa sa mga Wildland rooftop tents natin will get a 15% discount up until tomorrow. Yes! Woo! Check out na, guys, no? 15% discount. Hindi 5-0, 1-5.
1-5.
Grabe kayo sa 5-0, ha? So what you can do is, of course, PM Miss Janice Tuason or kay Boss Tim Tuason of Mototesto. Sign up lang kayo. Up until tomorrow po yung offer natin. No? Sa lahat lang po ng attendees ng Mototesto Barbecue Night X Wildland Rooftop Tent Showcase. 15% para sa lahat. Yan. And okay, let's enjoy the night further. Hopefully, hindi kayo mabasa talaga ng todo. Pagka-uwi nyo, maligo agad kayo para hindi magkasakit. I love you everyone and let's enjoy the rest of the night. Thank you so much.
Can't help it. Head up, bonus off is my entrance. Tonight is ours for the taking, but you know I got tired of waiting. And we came to run all night, all day, all night, all night. It's now here's my time and I'll take make it, not much left to do, but just feel the beat. And now I'm lost in the rhythm, so you know there's something in me that keeps on believing. And I don't care what you say. We came to rock this party all night, all day, all night, all night. And I don't care what you say. We came to rock this party all night, all day, all night, all night. And
Okay guys, hi, my name is Brian. I'm one half of the Lost Boys PH. And yun, gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa lahat ng pumunta dito sa Barbecue Night of Mototesto. And at the same time, parang product launch na rin ng Wildland. So ayun, behind me is the Summit Explorer Pro, which is one of the new RTT ni Wildland na pa-pogi. And ayun, thank you sa lahat ng pumunta. Salamat sa mga food, napakadaming food. And please do check out Mototesto Philippines kasi maraming bagong products si Wildland. Yun lang. Thank you. Peace.
I don't care what you say. We came to rock